So let's add some father fish biodiversity to our fish tank. This is a lot of gunk out of my old disused pond. It's now overgrown and it's very hard even to get into it to get some biodiversity. But we have some anyway. We'll let it settle out and see what creepy crawlies and stuff's in there. And put some of the detritus that's in there, some leaf mold and bits of rotting leaves and stuff, and see, we'll stick them in the back somewhere where you don't notice them so much. We'll make a little pile of it and add the so-called biodiversity that Father Fish recommends. So we have some sycamore leaves. We have some little bits of small twig, some more leaves. We put them in the back. Not easy to see with the light reflecting off the tank. They're in there anyway. And then we poured some of the brown mucky water in for any of the microscopic life that was actually in the water that's breaking down all this stuff that's in my natural pond. We poured a little bit of that in as well, about a quarter of a pint. Don't know what that is in milliliters, but maybe an eighth of a litre, sixth of a litre, something like that. Anyway, that's our biodiversity added. Our fish are still in there. As I said, I added this heater because it was very, very cold last night. Heater set to 68. I'll probably do away with that heater if the weather stays mild. We'll see how it goes. It'll not come on anyway. If the weather's mild, the heater won't come on. It'll be just lying dormant in there. So that's it for now, folks. We'll do a bit of an update in a couple of weeks. The fish are swimming about down there. They're quite good at hiding in that tank, especially when I'm standing here at the front. I suppose they're still a wee bit nervous of their new environment, but they'll be grand.